Hello everyone, my name is Anisha Pujari Ramawati. My study number are 2341205 from class accounting 238. Today I would like to discuss risk decision management. In today's business environment, organizations face various risks that can affect their operation, financial performance, reputation, and long-term sustainability. Therefore, manager must be able to identify, assess, and manage risks effectively when making decisions. Risk decision management is an important process that helps organizations make informed decisions while minimizing potential losses and maximizing opportunities. Risk decision management refers to the systematic process of identifying risks, analyzing their potential impact, evaluating available alternatives, and selecting the most appropriate course of action. The main objective is not to eliminate all risks because risk is an unavoidable part of business activities, but rather to understand and manage risks in a way that support organizational goals and objectives. Risk is generally defined as the possibility that an event or action may lead to outcomes that differ from expected results. These outcomes can be negative, such as financial losses or operational disruptions, or positive, such as new opportunities and competitive advantage. Therefore, risk management involves both reducing potential threats and taking advantage of potential opportunities. One of the key principles of risk decision management is that decision makers must consider both of probability of a risk occurring and the potential consequence if it occurs. A risk with a high probability and severe impact requires greater attention, and a risk with a low probability and minor consequence. By evaluating this factor, managers can prioritize risks and allocate resources more effectively. The first step in risk decision management is risk identification. This involves recognizing potential events or situations that may affect organizational objectives. Risks can arise from internal sources such as operational failures, human errors, or technological problems, as well as external sources such as economic changes, government regulation, natural disaster, and market competition. Identifying risks early allows organizations to prepare appropriate response before problems occur. The second step is risk assessment and analysis. After risks have been identified, managers evaluate the likelihood of each risk occurring and estimate its potential impact on the organization. This analysis helps determine which risks are more significant and require immediate attention. Organizations often use risk assessment tools such as risk metrics, probability models, and scenario analysis to support this process. The third step is developing risk response strategies. Once risks have been analyzed, managers decide how to address them. There are generally four common approaches to risk management. The first is risk avoidance, which involves eliminating activities that create unacceptable risks, and second is risk reduction, which aims to decrease the likelihood or impact of a risk through preventive measures. The third is risk transfer, which shifts risks to another party, such as through insurance or contractual agreement. The fourth is risk acceptance, where the organization decides to tolerate the risk because the potential benefits outweigh the potential cost. Another important step is decision implementation. After selecting the most appropriate strategy, managers must ensure that the chosen action are effectively executed, which may involve developing policies, allocating resources, training employees, and establishing monitoring system. Effective implementation is essential because even well-designed risk management plans can fail if they are not properly executed. The final step is monitoring and review. Risks and business conditions constantly change over time. Therefore, organization must continuously monitor risk factor and evaluate the effectiveness of their risk management strategies. Regular reviews helps identify emerging risks and ensure the existing controls remain effective. Risk decision management is important because it supports better decision making. Managers who understand potential risks can make more informed choice and avoid decisions that could harm the organization. Furthermore, effective risk management improves organizational resilience by helping businesses prepare for unexpected events and recover more quickly from disruption. There are several types of risks that organizations commonly face. Financial risks refers to the possibility of losses resulting from change in interest rates, exchange rates, or market conditions. Operational risk involves failures in internal process systems or human resources. Strategic risks arise from poor business decision or change in the competitive environment. Compliance risks occur the organizational fail to follow laws and regulation. Environmental risks relate to environmental damage, climate change, and sustainability challenges. Each type of risk requires specific management approach. Technology has become an important tool in risk decision management. Modern organizations use data analytics, artificial intelligence, forecasting system, and risk management software to identify and assess risks more effectively. These technologies provide real-time information that support faster and more accurate decision making. Risk decision management also plays a significant role in environmental and sustainability initiatives. Organizations often face risks related to environmental regulation, resources scarcity, climate change, and stakeholder expectation. By incorporating environmental risks into decision-making processes, businesses can improve sustainability performance and reduce long-term vulnerabilities. The benefits of effective risk decision management are numerous. It improves decision quality, reduces uncertainty, enhance operation efficiency, protect organizational assets, support regulatory compliance, and strengthen stakeholder confidence. Organizations that effectively manage risks are generally better prepared to achieve their strategic objective and maintaining long-term success. However, risk decision management also face challenges. Managers may have limited information, uncertainty, future condition, and difficulty estimating risk probability. In addition, some risks are highly complex and interconnected, making them difficult to predict. Therefore, organizations must continuously improve their risk management capabilities and encourage a culture of risk awareness throughout the organization. In conclusion, risk decision management is a systematic process that helps organizations identify, assess, and manage risks when making decisions. It involves risk identification, risk analysis, strategy development, implementation, and continuous monitoring. Effective risk decision management enables organizations to reduce potential risks, seize opportunities, and achieve their objective more successfully. And in an increasingly complex and uncertain world, the ability to manage risks effectively has become a critical factor for organizational success. So, thank you for your attention. That's all I can say. I hope this presentation helps you understand the importance of risk decision management and its role in supporting effective organizational decision making. So, see you next video.